Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. I have a Try This Tuesday for you. So this one's fun. A lot of people fear getting upside down or think they can't, or it's just a lot of work because how do you practice that? Well, I have a challenge for you. So this is going to be a few different things all in one video. So let's just try it. First, we start with rolling like a ball. Rolling like a ball is really key to getting yourself up or just even knowing if you can get up. So you grab yourself really tight, you rock back and you try to hold it. And then you come back up. I do this a lot in my online Pilates classes because a lot of people skip the advanced stuff because some of it's overhead, but they're healthy enough to do it. So when I get here, notice that my feet didn't go behind me. You'll never get upside down well if you do that. So my tailbone is chasing my heels. And then I come back up. So I want you to practice pause. There's not a lot of weight in my head. It's touching the mat, but all the weight is in my stomach and being held up on my shoulder girdle. Okay, now rock back, put your arms down, take your legs up, come back up. Rock back, put your arms down, take your legs that high diagonal, come back up. So you're just practicing, oh, if my legs are up here, did I add weight to my neck? If you did, try again. The weight should be in your arms and still in your shoulders, right? And rock back. Maybe this time you go all the way up and then you bend in and roll up. Go back, take your legs to the high diagonal, now reach for the sky, and then come all the way up. It's fun, yeah? So if you are skipping some of that advanced stuff, whether it's on the reformer or the mat, first try to balance for 3 to 5 seconds and you're rolling like a ball. Then try to rock back and send your legs up, come back up, then rock back, lift your legs up, go all the way up, and then come back down. So fun, play with it. Let me know how it feels. You should feel it in your center. You should feel it in your seat. If you're not, you're definitely cheating yourself. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for trying these with me. They're so much fun. I love to hear how they go in your body and your practice. All of these do help you if you're doing onlinepilatesclasses.com because we really try to deepen your practice every time you come and or you join me online. And if you're trying this out and you're sharing it with your friends, make sure you tag me at Lesley, Lesley, .Logan, Logan on Instagram. I love to see what you're doing. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Meredith, and I'm one of the people creating onlinepilatesclasses.com. One of the things that I love most about this project is that we're building the very first free online catalog of Pilates exercise how-to videos. We release 3 new videos each week. People often leave comments asking Lesley to explain a specific exercise, and you can do that too. And if you love watching these videos and believe in the project of creating this catalog, you can support it by joining Lesley every week in her online mat and reformer classes. Just go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/subscribe.